I formed you in the womb, I knew you and approved of you as my chosen instrument. And before you were born,
before conception, consecration. Before what? Conception. I knew you. Consecration. I set you apart. I prepared you. God.
And before you were born, I consecrated you to myself as my own.
To myself. As my own. Carried by God first. Before conception. So many come as a result of conception, not consecration. Many are called, few are chosen. The statement that says I consecrated you, it comes when God says I've chosen you, not when I say I called you. When God says I've chosen you, it means I consecrated you. When I call you, I'm still going to take you to a process of consecration because you are not consecrated yet. I'm still going to wash you. But if God says I consecrated you before you entered your mother's womb, it means I washed you before you even entered your mother. I knew there's a seed that will come to represent me on earth. And I affect you even the seed of your father. Because it's another. It's another. The first seed, the way. Now your father and your mother, they meet. Another. It's another seed. I love Jesus. So if I knew you before you were formed in your mother's womb, it means it's a seed of God. Now your mother and your father, they decide to make a child. It's another seed. So you come. I'm a man of God, but not of the first seed, of the second seed, the sperm of a man. Now you come as a sperm of a man, trying to represent consecrated things, preaching consecrated things, holy things of God, holy things of God. As another seed of a man. So many run ministries, they are not aware. It's not yet the seed of God. It's the seed of a man. You preach, but it's the seed of a man. You prophesy, it's a seed of a man. You heal the sick, it's a seed of a man. Repeat and go on.
Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you.
Before I formed you in the womb. Before I knew, did what? I formed you in the womb. Yeah. Let's go.
Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you and approved of you.
I knew you and approved of you. Bon, now again, conception has not happened yet. Conception has not yet happened. Let's go.